Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can remove some object from an image using Canva very easily. So at first we need to upload our image on Canva, or we need to choose the image which from where we want to remove the object. So this is one of the sample image, and here we see there are a couple of stones are over there. So I want to remove this object. This is a stone inside this ocean or river, whatever you say. So to do this thing, it is very easy by using Canva, the latest version of Canva. So to do this thing, at first we need to select the image, and then image will be selected. Then we have to click edit, and then on the left side it will bring like this type of menu. From here we have to choose different options are there. I'm going to do easy way. So I'm going to click this button, click button. So I'm going to click here, and the image will be automatically selected like that way. Now we need to click the object which we want to remove. So I'm going to click here, and this stone image will be this part of this image will be selected. Now to remove this thing, we have different options are there, like magic eraser, magic graph, magic edit. We want to remove this item, so we have to click this one, magic eraser. We just need to click here, and very shortly you'll see that this stone will be removed from this image. It will take some time, but be patient. Okay, now see there is no stone over there. So in this way we can also remove this object also. Even we can remove the text also, or some other object also. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove the object from our image using Canva very easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.